Former Honolulu prosecuting attorney Keith Kaneshiro has been indicted and taken into federal custody.
The indictment charges Kaneshiro, along with 4 others, including a well-known engineering executive, with conspiracy to commit honest services fraud and federal program bribery, as well as conspiracy to violate rights.
Good evening, I'm Bridget Namata in for Gina. Today's indictment, the latest in a string of corruption scandals involving high-ranking city officials, one that's been looming since 2019.
And that's when Kaneshiro, who was Catherine Kealoha's old boss, went on leave after receiving a letter from the feds telling him he was the target of an investigation.
We do have team coverage tonight. Bryce Moore has reaction to today's indictment. But we begin with Manolo Morales, who was in federal court today for the 4 defendants' first appearance.
Kaneshiro, seen here wearing a mask, left the courthouse without comment. He and his 4 co-defendants pleaded not guilty to the charges. The indictment names Kaneshiro and some of the top-ranking officials of the engineering firm Mitsunaga and Associates, including the president, Dennis Mitsunaga. Kaneshiro is charged with 2 counts of conspiracy, including honest services wire fraud and bribery. Court records say in October 2012, Mitsunaga and his employees met with Kaneshiro to persuade the prosecutor to investigate and prosecute a former employee who was suing the firm. Prosecutors say soon after, Mitsunaga and several employees began contributing to Kaneshiro's re-election campaign. In June 2014, a deputy prosecutor recommended against filing the charges, but in December, Kaneshiro reassigned the case to a recently hired prosecutor. Federal prosecutors say Mitsunaga, shown wearing a black long-sleeved shirt, and his co-workers contributed more than $45,000 and point out that the company had never contributed to Kaneshiro's campaign before. Court records say the co-defendants were able to contribute more than the legal limit to Kaneshiro's campaign by soliciting money from other business partners and employees at Mitsunaga and Associates.
So basically, they're using the timing of the donations and the amount of the donations to prove that Keith Kaneshiro was being paid in order to do something illegal.
A judge dismissed the case against the former worker in September 2017, pointing out the one-sided nature of the investigation because it was done by the prosecutor's office instead of the police. Judge Karen Nakasone said that the deputy prosecutor was little more than acting as the recipient and conduit for the company's submissions.
She writes a scathing order admonishing the deputy prosecuting attorney and Keith Kaneshiro's office, saying that this is not the proper procedure. And she dismisses the case immediately.
The U.S. attorney sent a statement saying this indictment alleges a Honolulu businessman and others paid $50,000 in campaign contributions to Honolulu's former prosecuting attorney to prosecute a former employee. The FBI also released a statement saying corruption erodes the public trust, and the FBI is committed to ensuring the people cannot buy prosecutions in the state of Hawaii. Trial starting with jury selection has been scheduled for August 16th. From federal court, I'm Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.